Hello, wonderful people. I go by the name Paul Walkway, and today I'll be showing you the road from Golf Estate to ShopRite. They have been working on this Golf Estate road, and most people are not following that route. So I wanted to show you how it looks like and the condition at the moment.
So welcome to my channel. So we'll be taking off from Trans Ekulu. This is the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So we'll be taking one way due to they blocked the other road. So we'll be taking one way until we get to the Golf Estate Junction. Then we'll now take left. Well, the road is still under construction as Peter Mba is working on the road to make it more motorable for the residents of Golf Estate and Enugu in general. You know what I mean. So we are heading there. So you see the condition right now. So sometime last year there is always traffic on the Trans Ekulu Flyover that connects the old GRA to Trans Ekulu. So Peter Mba has also fixed that road, so it eased up the traffic that is always there. So with this road being constructed, it will also ease up more traffic that is in the road connecting to Trans Ekulu to ShopRite, OGRA, Independence Layout here. So in that way, you have more people coming in Trans Ekulu and people building more houses, and it will also drive the rents to go up and the house prices to also go up, because most people don't want Trans Ekulu because of the traffic, but with all these roads and being constructed, definitely people are going to prefer it because it's a cool place and it has water and it has lights. So let me know what you think about this road, if it's worth it. I know it's wide enough to accommodate 2 cars, and also there's a walkway by the side. So just let me know what you think. We'll be connecting from here to ShopRite, so you see how the environment is, and it's about let's say close to 10 to 15 minutes because of the bad road. But with the road being fixed, it will probably take about 5 to 8 minutes to get to ShopRite from this route. So as an investor, if you're looking to build a house, to sell, or to buy land, Golf Estate is a good location for you. If you're willing to flip the house, maybe build a duplex and sell, to make money, or maybe buy land to build your own duplex, Golf Estate is a good location in Enugu because it's close to GRA, it's also close to Independence Layout, it's also close to New Market. So it's a very good location, and it's secured and it's peaceful. It has water and it has lights. So it's a good location if you're looking to build your own duplex, that you have privacy, that is close to within the town, and you can come in anytime you want. Maybe if you're someone that likes nightlife, you can come back anytime. It's not like Centenary, where you have to hit the express before you get to your home. It's just like you're living within the town, just like Independence Layout, GRA, and the rest. So it's a good place. So if you're looking to buy land here, you can contact me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's secure a place for you. So this location also has good schools, and like I said earlier, it's close to the market, so you don't need to drive all the way to market. And also it has a supermarket here, and you can always do everything around here. And also there's a police station. It's a SAS police station. It used to be SAS. I don't know what it is right now, but you have the police here as well, so you're completely secured. That's what I mean, right? So by my left hand side, you see something like shops there. So this is where you can shop, you know, whatever you want to shop, like your groceries and, you know, other things you want to shop. You can shop there. Then if you want to go to the new market is just 3 minutes away from here. So when this road is done, definitely it's going to be a smooth ride, right? Definitely. So stay tuned and watch the video, and don't go anywhere. Let's go. So this road is like a shortcut to ShopRite. So we're going to take here, and as we drive, you see the actual golf, the main golf course. Yeah, you see it by the left side. Then when we drive and when we're getting almost to ShopRite, you see the signage of the Enugu Sports Club. That's the entrance to the golf course by my left hand side right now. So let's go. So remember I told you this is the entrance to the Enugu Sports Club. Yeah. So from here, if you want to do your golf, you can go there and do your golf, register and kickstart. So yeah. So we'll be heading to ShopRite now. So like I said earlier, this drive is about 14 minutes to 15 minutes drive. But when the road's all fixed and everything, it's probably gonna take about 5 minutes max. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end to get the gems. All right. So there you go. We are now at ShopRite. Like I said, it's about 12 minutes now. We're already at ShopRite. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that this route ease off the traffic within the flyover to OGRA and ShopRite. So with this route, you don't have to go and stay in the traffic. You just follow this route and boom, you are in Trans Ekulu, or from Trans Ekulu, boom, you are almost at you're in GRA already, because here is still GRA. Yeah.
So here I come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up, and if you're watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel to see more updates on real estate in Southeast, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Imo, Anambra, Asaba, and also Lagos. See you on my next video. Bye bye.